If you are looking for a portable inkjet printer that is high quality and doesn't break the bank, hopefully we're going to help you out here. We're traveling to Mexico, bringing a printer with us. I'm going to review it in this video. Let's get started. All right, what's up everybody? Thanks for clicking. We're taking a trip to Mexico and I need a printer because upon arrival I have to print a document for immigration purposes and I need something. I don't want to mess around with finding a print shop or whatnot. So here it is, brand new out of the box. It's a Tango. I'll put a link in the description below. And basically, I'm going to be reviewing this in this video, showing you around how to get it hooked up and whatnot. So hopefully this can help you make a good purchasing decision. This is it. You can see the kind of get a feel for the size and what it is. It's very simple. All right, it's break time. Subscribe, like, and share to support this channel. Please comment as well. Join as a member for amazing perks from priority replies to DIY party invites. If you need tools and merch, shop my store or website. You can check the links in the description for my best products. All right, let's get back to business here. So here are the ink cartridges. It comes with 2 trial size, or you can call them trial or whatnot, but they look pretty legit to me. This is a name brand printer, by the way, HP, and the cartridges are name brand as well. So this is something that got pretty good reviews online. And again, it definitely did not break the bank at $100 or less for sure. Of course, check out the link for the current price because the price can always change. But we're going to plug it in just like this and get it hooked up just to make sure it's working before we pack it into a suitcase. And I'll show you how much size it takes up in a suitcase here in a minute. But we don't want to get it there and then have it not work, you know, or have issues. Then we're stuck with this basically dead weight and having to maybe return it or something. So pretty lightweight overall, I would say. And it does not scan. So you put your paper in through the top there. You load your cartridges right there. And you know, you got to bring some paper with you and whatnot, but it's pretty lightweight overall. And I would say that you probably couldn't put it in a backpack, but you could put it into your carry-on or certainly check this in your check luggage. But here it is. We'll kind of look under here, get a feel for what that looks like and sounds like. And it's got some cool LED like fade lights on it, which makes it kind of look a little sharper, I think. All right, so let's get the inkjet here, the cartridge loaded up. They've got tape on them and you just follow the instructions. Look at the picture right there. It just pops in pretty easy. And that should click, securing the cartridge in place. That was the color cartridge. Let's go to the black cartridge now. So this is a color printer, obviously. Now, how long do these trial cartridges last? I'm not really sure. Depends on how much you print, what you're printing, and the quality at which you're printing. You can change the quality to normal or draft or high quality, things like that. So obviously how much ink you use is a very personal thing. So these cartridges could last us like months, right? All right, so you pop them in like that, get them secured and close the lid, and then give it a hot second to kind of adjust and get ready. And here's where you load your paper. You can slide this in and out for different size paper, but it certainly takes the standard letter size paper, the 8.5 by 11, and you just kind of push that down so it's holding it snugly in place. And let's go to the app. We're going to start with the HP Smart app. You can download that from the App Store. Again, check the link in the description below for the links that you need in this video. And we'll get that installed. You'll follow the on-screen instructions. And we'll set up a new printer. And we're going to connect to our network. And there it is right there, the HP Tango. So again, follow the on-screen instructions. And you're basically telling the printer to join your Wi-Fi network that you have. And you'll see it says setup complete. And there's a few more seconds of waiting and processing while it does its tech thing. And you can turn on notifications or not. It's your choice. Now there is something called registration for free printer ink delivery. I'm not going to take advantage of that right now. And then you're going to align your printer. This is the first print, so it does need to be aligned according to HP. So you put a piece of paper in there, click align, and you just sit back and let it do its thing. And you can see here it doesn't take super long while it aligns. Spits it out relatively quickly, I would say, but this is definitely slower than if you were printing like a Word document or something. And we're going to test that out. You can see what this does and kind of get a feel for the speeds. This part's a little slower while it aligns, whatever that exactly means. Make sure the printer heads are doing what they're supposed to be doing, or be where they're supposed to be. And I don't know, after 30 seconds, 45 seconds or so, that thing is done. Again, you get 2 months of, well, I didn't mention that, 2 months of free ink, apparently, but I'm not going to take advantage of that now. You certainly could click yes, set that up, and it, I think, magically arrives to your home as a way you can kind of set it and forget it. So you would create an account, fill in your information, and pretty much be good to go. But we're going to bypass that for now, and we'll make sure that the updates are done automatically, and then you should be ready to print. So we're going to pull up a document that I have on my phone because we're going to do a test sample from my phone. You can share this link with other people. By the way, if you've got somebody living in your, with you or whatever that needs to print from the same printer, you can just send them the link and that can take them to the setup, and they just kind of do the same thing. So you can do that. That's pretty nice, a nice feature. And you can text that link or, airdrop it or whatever. All right, we're gonna make sure it's selected to the correct. So I've got this document open. We're gonna click the HP Tango printer and just print one page for testing. And there it is. Check that out. Great quality. You didn't see the speed. I'll show you that in a second, but let's get this thing packed up and head off to Mexico. Here it is in our checked baggage. And you can see it. It's a good size, but it definitely does not take up too much room. So it is definitely a portable printer, without doubt. So here it is hooked up. Let's take a listen. So it prints out a color document like that pretty darn fast, a full page within seconds. So I definitely am loving the size, the quality, the ease. It's super simple to set up, and it's color, and wow, this is definitely something that's going to help us out while we are in Mexico. Hopefully this has helped you make a good purchasing decision. Thanks for being with me.